Hi, I'm Yasmin Fernandes and I welcome you to my world of cooking in What's Cooking Man? To choose your subtitles, go to the upper right hand corner to the setting button and switch on the captions and choose your language. Hi everyone, today we are going to make a very delicious yet very healthy Goan sweet which is known as Mangane, that is Chana dal, Sabudana Kheer. It's really very simple to make, yet very healthy, nutritious and delicious. So let's get on with the ingredients. I've taken half a cup of chana dal which I had soaked for about 5 hours and then I had pressure cooked it for 3 whistles. We will also require 2 cups of coconut milk and a quarter cup of sabudana which was also soaked in very little water and kept for about 5 hours. Half a cup of jaggery which is finely cut, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and a quarter cup of cashew nuts which have been roughly chopped. Let's start. In a pan, we will empty the boiled chana dal which was pressure cooked for about 3 whistles, and when it comes to a boil, we will add in the jaggery. I had cut the jaggery really fine so that it dissolves properly and fast. So let's stir in the jaggery and keep stirring till the jaggery completely dissolves. This is really a very nutritious sweet dish. Now, keep stirring and press down the lumps of the jaggery till they completely dissolve in the dal and allow the dal then to come to a boil. So patiently keep stirring. Now, we are almost there. The dal has come to a boil and now we will add in the 2 cups of coconut milk. The coconut milk will lend a very good flavor and of course nutrition as well. Now it's time to add the quarter cup of sabudana and give that a good stir. We have to cook the sabudana now on a medium flame till it becomes transparent. The sabudana will swell slightly in the kheer and turn totally transparent. Add in a quarter teaspoon of salt and give that a stir as well. Now on a medium flame, we will keep cooking the kheer and then we will add in some bits of cashew nut. I hope you all are enjoying this recipe and will share it with your family and friends. So do like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon and get your comments in. The subscription as always is free. Now, our kheer is coming to a boil. Keep stirring because our sabudana has to cook really well. Once the sabudana has cooked well, allow the kheer to simmer now on a medium flame till it thickens slightly. We are almost there now and it's time to add in the quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. This gives a very good flavor to our kheer. The aroma of the cardamom is so nice and the kheer is really delicious and nutritious as well. This kheer is much loved in Goa and enjoyed by people of all ages, right from small children to the elderly. There, our kheer is now ready. Can you see everything has cooked so well? The sabudana has turned transparent, the chana dal is well cooked, and the aroma, it's just fantastic. This kheer can be had both hot as well as cold. So once your kheer is ready, you can enjoy it however you like, hot or cold. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video as I have enjoyed making this video for you all. So do sit back and enjoy your kheer And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.